On Phala Phala, we said to you, and I don't know why do you say, what do you seek to achieve? We told you Phala Phala will never die. For as long as the EFF is in parliament, which it is where we are, and whether you like it or not, those who wish for the death of the EFF, SG, even if the EFF was to die tomorrow, the branches don't exist, the region have collapsed, province have collapsed. We've got 39 members of parliament for the next 5 years. There's nothing that is going to collapse. Those votes are there. They won't collapse. They are going to collapse after 5 years. So you've got guaranteed 5 years of the existence of the EFF, at least in parliament. So whether you like it or not, the EFF is there to hold Phala Phala accountable. There is something terrible that happened in the previous administration. We referred the matter of impeachment to the panel as required by the rules of parliament. Why? Because they know that if we were to say, is there prima facie evidence or not, we are going to be subjective because we are politicians. So on matters such as those, you outsource them to non-parliamentarians so that you get an objective view. And that's what we did. We argue that the panel's report, Parliament can't go against it without any rational reason. Parliament has not reasoned why it went against the panel report. So, in South Africa, you cannot abuse majority. Majoritarian will only work where there is no constitution. Majoritarian cannot stand the test of time in court. If you say the majority have voted, even if they voted in an unconstitutional manner, and then you say no, majority have spoken, there's nothing we can do about it. Our constitution doesn't work like that. Every decision, even a decision of the majority, must meet a rational test. And that's what we're going to do. We have never hidden away the reasons why we removed the former deputy president from KZN and those that were deployed with him. We had a meeting of our own as the EFF. We made assessment. An assessment we made out of our own now direct interaction with the ground in KZN and the complaints we have been receiving from KZN led to the removal of the former deputy president and others. You know, to show you that there was something wrong that the deputy president was doing with other colleagues in KZN. Everything that was reported to us was extremely perfect. So they mastered the mechanism to meet the requirements, even if those things do not exist. There was a point where we wanted people to the stadium, to Moses Mabhida Stadium. And the numbers we received were extremely more than the numbers we received for votes. And that on its own just told us there's something wrong here. And then we did not intervene after. We intervened before. Unfortunately, we were very late. And that's why after we intervened, the SG was able to pull a mother of all matches before the elections in eThekwini. Because that time we're now reclaiming our organization and trying to reposition it. Unfortunately, we're out of time and we had to go to the elections.